Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. And today what we're going to be talking about is we're going to be talking about templates. This is going to be a short little video talking about the templates that you get with Excel. They're really cool because what happens is you can design a page literally from nothing to something within a matter of seconds, and then you put your data into it, and it's you use the template, you put your data into it, your data is represented in the most best way that you could do it, and it saves you a lot of work because the team has created the template for you, and all you do is just put your data into it and use it and print it as you need to. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at a couple of things. We're going to take a couple of looks at the templates that we get, and then I'm going to show some videos about templates. And then you want to become a pro in Excel, I want to help you become a pro in Excel. So I'll direct you to the resources that will help you get that done. So stay tuned, and thanks. And while we're here, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the thumbs up button, and let's get this started. I'm just gonna go ahead and this case here. I've got to say, this is probably the first time I felt like shot. First thing you need to do is you need to log into Hotspot's virtual environment. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we are in the environment. I'm going to basically start looking around for some different templates that are possible to use. And right with the program, I'm using Microsoft Excel 2010. And when it opens up, like, I'm going to close out of this, and I'm going to see what I can find for my template. So in my version, we have like agendas, budgets, and you'll find that some have more than the others. Expense reports, see what we got for business. Scatters chart, expense reports, customer profitability. So there is a lot of stuff in here that you can use. Now, if you want to learn more about this, I have a book that you might be interested in. And if you are so interested in this book,
How to make sense of the data and numbers in your organization. There's now an explosion of data and statistics that businesses and nonprofits need to track, manage, analyze, and interpret. And in some cases, this needs to happen for the benefit of customers and clients. In other cases, this needs to happen for the benefit of people within your organization or your business. And when these cases come up, you can have one set of data and multiple ways and reasons for analysis. Now, to handle this, you'd need a flexible tool you could use for each instance without having to recreate the data over and over again. Fortunately, Microsoft has created a widely used tool as part of its Office 365 suite called Excel. Now, Microsoft Excel is a special kind of document. While it works like others in Office 365, where you can provide text for labeling and identifying, it also works for data entry. And when the data is entered, Microsoft holds not only the labels, but their values. This allows you to be able to display calculations and analysis that you determine are necessary. Generally, when there's a combination of data, which are numbers, and labels, Excel will also help you to create sensible documents and knowledge from them. And you can use these documents to create knowledge for yourself and others that you work with. Now, there is a learning curve for the various stages and uses for Microsoft Excel. Because when you enter your data correctly, you'll be in a better position to manipulate it. And once manipulated carefully, it can be analyzed and worked with. And you can reuse the same data to create other analyses to give you the information that you need. Now, having this kind of tool available means you can create data on demand to create good decisions. Now, if you'd like to find out more about how Excel works, check out the link you see on this screen.
And actually, the link will be below in the near the comment section, the video information section. So we have all these templates, which are amazing. And let's take a look at that. You just click on it and it loads it in. And this is a tip calculator. Can you believe it? Like, this is a serious tip calculator. So I ate a meal for $9. Say you tip 20%. And okay, now I get how this works. So sometimes you just gotta look at these templates and you gotta figure them out for yourself. So we have the meal cost before tax, tip percentage, tax on the meal, and this is what we would enter. And this is the results of what we would get. Pretty cool, isn't it? So by using the template, I save myself so much time if I wanted to create a simple tip calculator. I mean, it's already done. Templates, indeed, save you time. So with that in mind, watch this.
Welcome back. Now, when you want to start a new workbook, one of the things you can do is you can use existing templates inside of Microsoft Excel. So we can click this New button, and you're going to see that Microsoft Excel gives you a certain number of pre-planned templates. There are also templates available online that you have access to. So for example, one of the things you can use Excel for is you can use it for a budget. And so you'll notice here that you have an expense trends budget. You can use this as a starter template by clicking the button and then clicking Create. And basically what it does is it fills out the information, and then all you need to do is to use the format to fit your particular information. So we can now go back to the File command. We can go back to New. And now we can look for some of the templates that might be available online. You might write in a template that you may be looking for. And you'll notice here that here's a template for a marketing event budget. Here's a marketing project plan, a channel marketing budget. And so basically you can choose any of these templates that might look like something that you'd be interested in using. You'll click Create. In this case, we have some information about the template. We have 3 worksheets. We have the category chart, we have the start, and then we have the actual budget plan. And again, all we need to do is we need to write in where we're going to change the information into something that we're going to want to use. You'll notice here also that there are list templates, and this actually gives you a good idea of some of the other ways that you can use Excel other than using data and manipulating it. For example, some people use Microsoft Excel as a way of creating an invoice. And you'll see that here. And you can also use templates for charts, And these charts are going to have both the data and the images associated with them. And you'll see that here. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.
So in that video, we see that there's a lot of different things that you could do with templates, a lot of different templates that you can get. And if you update Excel, you could get the up-to-date templates and all that good stuff. That's really what I wanted to show you in today's installment for my channel. I would say thank you very much for watching, and then also stay tuned for the conclusion of this video. So, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. We have options, we have new ideas, and we have different things that we could do in Excel just because we have the templates. If you feel this video is beneficial to you, subscribe, click the like because it helps the algorithm for us, and also click the link if you're interested in learning more about Excel in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.